In this video, I'm going to be talking about some brand new features that have been added to Voice Access. This is really exciting news for me because I use Voice Access frequently to do a number of different things, and there are some sections that are painful. Some different things that when you're trying to edit text, it can be overly complicated, and so they've corrected that. So let's go ahead and open up Voice Access. Now we have Voice Access open, and we're going to do a little typing. Voice Access now allows you to do correction of specific words as well as spelling inside of a new window. So let's add a word that's commonly misspelled. Maybe my last name, Frangipani. Correct from Japanese. Spell that. Frangipane. 1. Select that. Capitalize that. New paragraph. Okay, so this is a really big deal. I love how they've given us the option to really quickly correct misspelled words or commonly misspelled words. I recommend watching my full tutorial on Voice Access because there's a lot of things that you can do with this. It's very, very powerful. Now, I recently made a video that talks about instead of doing your editing yourself, letting ChatGPT do the editing for you so you're not putting periods and capitalizing things. You just dump the body of text into ChatGPT with some very specific instructions. If you want to learn more on how to do that, watch the video that I link, the one coming up right here. All right, until next time, stay creative and have a wonderful day.